Bonjour et bienvenue en Normandy. Hello and welcome to the lovely Normandy village of Champigny. We're here on this lovely free air right in the middle of the village, although we may be woken up by the church bells in the morning. Adele's in the Kampervan Kitchen, so let's see what's on the menu tonight.
Hello and welcome to Kampervan Kitchen. Tonight we're going to have merguez with crispy chickpeas with a lemon dressing. And first of all, I've done the boring bit. You have to chop up a red onion. Well, this is for two, so half a red onion and soak it in water, and that takes the sharpness out of the onion. And I've chopped my cucumber up. I'll take the seeds out of your cucumber, chop them up into little bits, and the same with the tomato. And then sprinkle with a bit of salt, and that releases more water, which you drain both the water off before you put in with your chickpeas. Then I've grated some lemon, some garlic and some mint, and I'm going to add that to some creme fraiche, and that is the dressing. There we go. Give that a stir. Right. So, all we've got to do is put some seasoning on top of the chickpeas. Right, so we've got the chickpeas. That is a whole tin of chickpeas for two people. And I'm going to add fennel seeds, cumin seeds, coriander seeds and smoked paprika, and just put it into your taste really. And the spices I've got in there a bit, we'll put them in the ridgy. So we've got the main ingredients, we've got the chickpeas, we've got the salad, and we've got the dressing. Teeny weeny bit of oil in there for the chickpeas. There we go. There we go. Chickpeas with the spices on. There we go. Let them sizzle away for a bit. Once they've fried for about 5 minutes on a high heat, keep turning them over obviously in the ridgy. Take them out of there. Whilst the ridgy's hot, we're going to have 3 merguez each, and there they are. They're a spicy French sausage. Let those sizzle away. Okay, add the chickpeas. Now the sausages are cooked. Put the lid back on. Serve up. A salad. On the dressing. Bon appetit.
Turn that. Right, there we go. That's another one from Adele's Kampervan Kitchen. It's really tasty, this one. Let's get stuck in. Cheers now.
Cheers.
If you liked our video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell for our next Bennyvan adventure. Don't forget, we're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, and you can read about our adventures on Blogger. Thanks for watching, bye for now.